This chimney cooker hood from Miele is perfect for households that want intelligent technology and superb performance. It has LED lighting, a noise level of 66 decibels, and an A+ energy rating. It's ideal for a medium-sized kitchen as it has an extraction rate of 640 cubic meters per hour. And it's been tested for the equivalent of 20 years' use, so you can have complete confidence in this model's outstanding build quality. Miele's Conactivity technology allows your cooker hood and hob to work together to keep your kitchen free of steam. Clever sensors monitor the number of cooking zones in use and the settings for each one. This means when you add or remove pans from the hob, the cooker hood will change its performance to match. So, whether you're preparing a small snack or a 3-course dinner with friends, the air in your kitchen will always be perfectly clean and clear. This model has the fantastic washable grease filter, which is not only highly effective, but effortless to keep clean. It has 10 layers of filtration to trap grease and effectively remove steam from your kitchen. The filter is made from high-quality stainless steel and is also dishwasher safe, meaning you won't have to scrub them by hand, leaving you with more time to enjoy an evening meal. If you're looking for a cooker hood with intelligent technology and superb performance, this outstanding model from Miele is the choice for you.